Hi guys, I'm Charlie Buttes. Welcome to our crypto YouTube channel. Here we explore the exciting world of cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and everything in between. We always wish you the best if you choose to invest, but we are not your investment or financial advisors. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started with OctaFX, showing you all the important steps you need to go through to get started. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, you go to the official OctaFX page. The link is in the description box below. Fill out your information and put your password, and then open your account. That's for sign up. You will be sent an email. Verify it by opening that email. Then provide more information about yourself in the space provided. Then the next step is to click Standard and click Create Account. Then open the dashboard. You can create an additional account here, but what you need to do next is move to the setting icon and select Bonus Savings. Click Apply Further Bonus automatically and select 50%. Anytime you make deposits, you receive bonuses and hit save. Wait, before you continue, I have other videos you definitely will be interested in. Check them out in the description box below. Hit the notification bell, smash the subscription button, it doesn't bite, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now, the next thing we will do before anything else is to verify your account. To do that, go back to Settings and select Profile Verification. Submit a government-issued ID or passport, and within an hour, you are ready to get started. OctaFX always offers copy trading. Here you copy someone's trade who has more experience in trading, or if you are someone with more experience in trading, you can place your trades and let people copy that. To do that, you need to fund your account with a minimum of $25. You can also buy and sell on OctaFX. You can place trades as well and perform several other transactions on OctaFX seamlessly. That's for OctaFX today. Thank you guys for watching this video, and of course, let me know if you have a question. Good day and good luck.